Sup, bitches?
Hi, it's Olivia, and I'm with my friend Laura.
Hi.
And we went to the store, and we decided to get, like, Japanese candy. So on my channel, we are going to make this.
And then on my channel, which you will link down below, we bought a bunch of, like, weird chips. And then I have, like, some drink in the fridge. So, we may die tonight. We don't know. I may be allergic to something. I don't know. Tonight's just an unknown adventure.
Let's go!
Okay.
So now we have to open this.
Adult supervision required. Mom.
Make sure the recipe, images, or illustrations for purposes only. Make sure not to include tools for purposes other than intended use. Do not consume powder.
Let's open!
Don't consume the powder. Isn't the whole thing the powder?
No, it's like, they mean, like, don't eat just the powder.
Oh, it comes in this cute little... This is the serving tray, the pouch they were talking about.
Is it?
Okay, I don't want to ruin it. So, we're making him.
Yes, we are.
We're making him.
We're gonna make him.
We're going to make the bear.
Okay.
So, we're going to open it.
Careful, careful, careful. Careful, 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 careful. Careful!
This isn't in English. So, you have a bunch of little pouch. This is for the icing.
And they come with the spoon.
So, this is custard dough powder.
Okay.
This one is the vanilla sauce or vanilla icing.
This is strawberry.
We got sprinkles. Crumbs. We got crumbs.
More
sprinkles.
More sprinkles.
This one's the chocolate sauce powder. And then this one's the cocoa dough powder.
Okay,
So we have to take this piece off. Pieces.
Charlie! Hi, Bubba! I love her dog. Careful. Pivot. Pivot.
I did it! In the round depression, fill it with water. So this thing? Yes, it says fill this with water. Then add the yellow powder from the yellow packet. Mix by pressing down on the back of the spoon until thick.
Which is... Do they consider this yellow?
I guess so.
This is brown. Yo, we're gonna do some, like, Danville action. So, like... We're gonna record,
Oh, like some, like, the BuzzFeed taste videos? Wait,
Yeah.
this whole thing goes in there?
Does it?
Because that looks like a lot. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing.
Does this whole thing go in there?
Then add powder from yellow Maybe it's not all of it. Maybe it's just a little bit. I don't know. So,
We're gonna try.
I mean, I don't think the whole thing goes into it. Can you? Okay. It's falling apart just like my life.
Laura, no. I would say the whole thing.
The smell. It went in my nose. There's no smell.
No, it smells like... It does smell like something. Add the powder from the yellow packet.
It's gonna overflow.
Dude, it's supposed to be like that, though. Fill it... The whole thing.
The whole thing?
I'm guessing the whole thing. Do it.
Okay.
Now mix it. See? You're doing it.
Oh my god. I'm doing something once for my life.
I fucking can't with
I
you.
mean, we should add a little more water, right?
I would add, like, one more of that droplet thing.
One more?
Yeah. There. That's it. Also, peep my little Chenkian background. It feels so weird.
How does it feel?
Feel it. Feel it.
Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like it. It feels like if someone chewed on a gummy for like a really, really long time and then just took it out of their mouth and then just started playing with it in their hands. Like, you know those gummies? The gummy candies?
Yeah, but I didn't need that visualization.
Oh.
Okay, so now it says separate it into 2 pieces. To make the donuts, press the dough ball into the molds.
So one of these.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to do?
I want to do the flour.
The flour?
Yeah.
If this works, I may cry. That's how I know. It's all natural stuff. I don't want to wreck it.
Are you sure? Wait.
Wait.
Dude, did you actually, like, pack it in there?
It's coming out!
Is it?
Just like Dan and Phil.
Look!
I did it!
Yay!
Look!
Yay!
Guys, look, it's a donut.
Yay!
What if this is what McDonald's food is made out of?
It is. What are you talking about?
We're making McDonald's food, basically.
Guys, I'm an artiste, I promise.
You're an artiste?
Yeah.
She is an artiste.
Speed paint's coming soon. To a theater near you.
Called your bedroom.
Called my stupid tablet. Okay, ready? So, 1, 2, 3.
It's very natural. Not at all filled with chemicals. You did it!
Made a smiley face. And it's very cute. And now she's putting... That does not look good.
No, it does not.
Do you want for the cookie crumbs on that one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Here are the cookie crumbs.
I don't want it.
It's okay, Laura. We got this. We got this. It's mine.
I think we should give him some hair.
Who? Yes!
This needs to be opened a little bit more.
Guys.
It's frustrating me.
Guys, we are nearly done.
I think he has a little hat.
That's a hat?
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever you say. Give him like sideburns. There we go.
There we go. He has a little bit of hair.
You got like a fringe going on. I love it.
Okay. So we're going to clean up our mess. Alright, which one are we trying first?
I think we should try sideburns.
Sideburns first?
And we should try sideburns.
Okay.
Okay.
God. I'm so scared.
Alright, we got this. Don't worry about it. No, Laura, no.
No.
Laura, no.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, hold on. Wait, I'm gonna try the chocolate side.
No. Mm-mm. No. I have no words. I'm scared to see what the...
I'm scared about the chocolate ones, because the chocolate ones I sort of fucked up.
Okay, should we try this one yet next, or should we do the strawberry and get out of the way?
Let's do strawberry, get it out of the way.
Okay. They also don't...
Wait, I'll do first this time.
They also don't feel very good.
Oh, no. It doesn't feel right. Okay. Oh. No.
Oh,
No.
No, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
No, the strawberry ain't good, girl. The strawberry ain't good. No.
That one can go to hell. No. Keep this away from me.
Okay, now I'm scared. Because I don't know what was worse, the chocolate or the strawberry frosting. Like, I don't know which was worse. Thank you.
I'll do first bite.
But do you feel how gross that one is? Laura. Is that one bad? Is it the cake? It's the cake. Okay. Wait. I have chills. Okay.
The frosting was just wrong.
No, thank you. Oh, God.
On all levels.
I'm traumatized. Japan, why? And I was going to visit you next year.
You know, Japan, I was really cheering for you.
We were all rooting for you.
How dare you insert Tyra Banks meme here?
Okay.
But, like, you know, you guys have cool robots and cool, like, restaurants and cool commercials, but
And great music.
like...
But your weird sweets, no thank you.
No.
So that is it for our traumatizing donut experience. How was that, Laura?
I need to go to church.
So, if you want to see us now try other weird Japanese
Fish flavored chips.
shrimp.
Chips. What? I mean, what?
So if you want to see us try that, which we are going to do right now, actually, go check out Laura's channel. I will link it down below. And yeah, that's it.
Bye, guys.
So like, comment, subscribe. New videos coming soon, hopefully. I have more speed paints,
Okay.
more covers coming.
Okay.
So check them out.
I don't know when I'll be active next, but that's fine.